That corner over there, that's China. I'm extremely excited to go and explore China. And we are in China.
Passport.
Passport here. Well, right now I'm on the Vietnamese side. You see this beautiful park on the side, and then we have the Red River. That corner over there, that's China. This still is Vietnam. I will have to cross this bridge over here, walk and go to the Vietnamese border over there, and then cross the border, cross the bridge to China. I'm extremely excited. I've been waiting for this for 2 months now. That's how long I spent in Vietnam to get my passport. I had to renew my passport and then apply for a visa. Well, as a Canadian, I can go to China for 10 days without visa, but I don't think 10 days will be enough to explore China because it's a very big country. I'm extremely excited to go and explore China and to share with you guys my experiences. So this Red River, it gets its name from its unique reddish brown. If you look at the water, it's kind of red, kind of brown. So it gets its name from its reddish brown color. And that's because it carries clay and mud from the mountains in the north of Vietnam. Well, this mud or clay or soil which it carries is extremely important for the agriculture and rice production in north of Vietnam. It's a very beautiful park on this side. Actually, this is the first time I'm seeing a park this clean in Vietnam. I came from Hanoi. You probably have seen it on the internet or YouTube. Hanoi is not a very clean city, to be honest. It's very crowded, a lot happening. I spent almost a month over there and 2 weeks in Da Nang as I was waiting for my passport and visa and everything. But it was a good time. I really love this country. And now it's time for China. Well, I could take a taxi from my hotel, but I didn't do that. So I said, why not walk and film this side of Vietnam? And then we can walk to China and compare the two countries and see how different they are. Vietnam is a beautiful country and I love Vietnam, to be honest. There's so many things that I love about this country. But there's this one thing that I don't like about Vietnam, and I think whoever have been here will agree with me on that. And that is because they don't have sidewalks nowhere, like especially in the big cities like Hanoi. They do have sidewalks, but they don't use them for walk. They actually use them as a parking for their motorbikes. Otherwise, it's a beautiful country and I love everything about it. You see, now I have to walk on the main road. And this is just a very small example, you see. In some very crowded areas of Hanoi, you will see this and then it really bothers you, you know, that you have to walk on the road and it's not safe. I'm very close to the Chinese border, so I've crossed the border and turn on my camera on the other side. So see you guys on the other side. And we are in China. So somebody's yelling, but just crossed the border and exchanged some money, got me a SIM, and we are in China. I now have to find a way to get to the train station, but here we are, very excited. It looks very quiet here, to be honest, but at least we have a sidewalk which is very clean, everything's so organized. Yeah, awesome. I'm gonna find a way to get a taxi to the train station and then we go from there. It's a rainy day in China. So I just got me a train ticket cost it like 54 yen, which is about $7-8, I guess. But yeah, here we are. I have another probably 15 to 20 minutes to wait, and then my train journey to Kunming will start. So very excited for that. There's the train station, a lot of benches that you can just sit and wait for your train. That at the end, that's the station. Nobody around, just cameras around everywhere. That's what I noticed. Every corner has a camera. They're watching us. But yeah, it's a small mountain over there, and that's the station. And I'm just waiting on these benches. I don't want to go inside and wait inside, so it's better I just wait in here. Then another 5 to 6 hours journey will start. Hello.
Passport.
Passport here. Oh, okay. Thank you very much.
Japanese 文化4大点，
You study Japanese?
研究，对，研究。Japanese literature. I know.
You know. You can write in Japanese.
Japanese 写了很多，我可以加你一个微信。没事，我这手机主要是没电，再加微信。
You like Tokyo? Yeah, me too.
上海，上海。
Shanghai.
Like Shanghai.
Oh, like Shanghai. Yes, yeah. I've been to Tokyo 2 times. I really like it. Yeah, it's very good, very beautiful. Queen.
Tokyo.
Tokyo. Yeah.
Very nice.
People dress so nice. Yeah. Tokyo. Line up, you know, like train. Yeah. What is your name?
任职。
Yunjin.
任职。
Renjin.
任职。我一会儿你就看到，手机一会儿没电。
Type it for me.
一会儿先掐着。
What app is this? Is it WeChat?
这是。
Ah, WeChat. Sen? This?
Oh. Nathan.
Nassim, yes.
Nathan. 见水，见水，见水。对去。
收取完毕。
You go back?
前面不上人了，空车厢，找地方睡觉去，没有必要挤啊。这人多。
I'm looking for some water. see if we can find it. Also this one. Yeah, that one. 4? Okay. Alipay? My Alipay is not working. Good. Finally worked, eh? We've been traveling through like 100 tunnels, and you see we're going through one right now, but here it is. We have a sink here, a sink there, it's a washroom. Welcome to Kunming. Kunming, I'm coming. There we are. The Kunming railway station. Just landed here. Kinda. I have to find my way to the hotel because I'm very tired. Here's another train. That's our train. I think that's like the old school model. It's a newer. You see the seats are much better, much good looking. But yeah, this is the station. Alright guys, I'm in the restaurant now. I just ordered some food. I'm just waiting for that because I'm starving. I only had like one burger before leaving Lao Cai, and after that I didn't eat anything, so I'm just gonna wait for the food, eat, and then head out. Let's get this. So good. Hello, thank you very much. Yeah, thanks. And here's the food. Oh my god, it smells so good. The pepper. And since it's already here, let's just have our first Chinese meal. So it's beef with rice and then some red pepper with green pepper. It looks amazing. So let's try it. It's very good. I love it. I don't know what sauce to use it for this, but it's very, very tasty. And this girl is so cute.